Dreaming of luxury at home? Dive into the Crescent Bay Deluxe 6 hot tub experience. This modern marvel isn't just a hot tub, it's a family oasis. With seating for 6, including a lounger, it's perfect for family fun or a chill evening with friends. Imagine sinking into 100 powerful jets, targeted by powerful pumps for a full-body hydrotherapy session, including foot massage. Control everything with an easy-to-use panel and interface, and set the mood with 27 dazzling LEDs and a serene 10-inch waterfall. Stay toasty with a 3 kilowatts heater and 32 amp power supply, while your favorite tunes play through the integrated Bluetooth sound system. Free cover, steps, delivery and installation across the UK mainland make it hassle-free. Plus, with finance options from 0% APR, luxury has never been so attainable. Transform your home today with the Crescent Bay Deluxe 6 hot tub. Visit Blue Whale Spa's website to learn more. Dive into luxury.